Jr. Assistant City Marketing Facilitator, Santiago B. Lopez Jr. Maintenance Coordinator, Grace Sheila P. Manlangit. Assistant Maintenance Coordinator, RVP Dixon. PNC Coordinator, Bank Director, Christine Joy C. Chavez. Assistant PNC Coordinator, Mike Angelo A. Ubinia. Entry number 1, Tinawagan National High School, Tinawagan, Tibang, Kapaling School. We would like to thank President P. Junior Principal, Tinawagan National High School. Thank you. Entry number 1, Tinawagan National High School, Tinawagan, Tibang, Kapaling School. Second, National Leader Girls, P. Cosina. School Head, Weda P. Pacao. CPP, Marketing Facilitator, Kayla S. Second, Nelson P. Ante Jr. Major Coordinator, Edgar V. Pinero, Angelica P. Indigo, TBCCS Coordinator, Ray Ansamiento, Beverly Armignon, Marketing Coordinator, Assistant SDRRM Coordinator, Abigail K.C. Marcelo, and William C. Barrios. Entry number 2, Presentacion, National High School, Santa Maria, Presentacion, Camarines School. Entry number 2, Presentacion National High School, Santa Maria, Presentacion, Camarines School. Next entry number 3, Mission School, Piyong Kabuso, Camarines School. Good men staff,